There have been some radical changes on Facebook advertising recently, and today I will show you an app that will help you capitalize on this. Hi, this is your friend Cyril Gupta, and today I'm going to review an app called Adpreso that can help you create fantastic looking ads for all the ad platforms out there. Google, yes. Meta, yes. And all the other platforms. You can create designs that cause a reaction and get you the ROI, the return on investment that you look for. So let's take a look at Adpreso and find out what it can do for you. But before we do that, I just want to remind you, if you like this app, if you want to use it for your ads and you want to run ads created by Adpreso, you got to make sure you get it from me. And why should you do that? Well, there is always a very strong reason. When you purchase a product from me, I give you back the products that I have created in return. Yes, it's a special deal, my Technic Force rewards program, under which every time you purchase another creator's product from me, you earn reward points that you can use to claim my products. And I do have a bunch of excellent products that you can use in your business right now. So let's take a look at Adpreso, and if you decide to buy it, I will tell you again at the end what is in this store for you. So I'm logged into Adpreso AI right now, and this is an AI powered ad creator for Facebook primarily. Yep. How do we get started? The first thing, of course, that we need to do is go to projects and create a new project, add new. And I'm going to call it Technic Force Ads. So I would typically categorize companies or my businesses in projects, and then which platform do you want to advertise on. So it's got Facebook, I think this is Instagram, Google, YouTube, Snapchat, LinkedIn, or TikTok. So I'm going to go for Facebook first and then click on next. Then you choose the ad type. So it's got all the different ad types that you can run on Facebook. There are image ads, slideshow ads, sponsored, message ads, marketplace ads, Facebook stories, carousel ads, collection ads, audience network native ads, messenger ads, app install, lead generation, search results, all the different type of ads, right? I'm going to go for image ads and then going to click on create. Here we go. So now I can either put in my content manually, or I can scan from my website. Obviously, I want to scan from my website. Who wants to do things manually? But technicforce.com, as you know, has a lot of products. So creating ads for it is practically impossible because there's so many different, products to choose from. But let's pick up one of my products, CloudFunnels. This is the website, yournextfunnel.in. I'm going to put that in, and we will prepare ads for CloudFunnels. So click on scan. It will take some time to scan the website, prepare the copy, prepare the angles, prepare the text, and then I will be able to proceed. So I'm just going to hit pause and come back to you. All right, it's already done. So product title, CloudFunnels, language, English. That's the language that we're going to run our ads in. Then the product description, CloudFunnels is an advanced digital marketing platform that empowers businesses to create highly profitable sales funnels. Target audience is well-defined, digital marketers, small business owners, and entrepreneurs. And call to action, get CloudFunnels now. Yep, it's my favorite call to action. Click on continue. So now let's get started with ad creation. So the first thing, we need to put up some sort of logo. So I'm going to find a logo from my computer. So here's the thing. Here's a headline, subheadline, and call to action. Now you need to upload a logo image and upload a main image. So I will find the logo. I will use my company logo, which I have somewhere, I think around here. Yep, I think this is great. Crop image, no, use main image. That's what we want to say. Then upload main image. So this is like an ad. This is like an image for your ad. So I'm going to click on generate image. By the way, generate image makes it with AI. And if you want to choose something from your computer or from your website, you can do that too. First, I'm going to scan my website, see if there's any image I want to put in. Maybe this one, so I could save it. But this is a bit boring. But anyway, I will try that. Grabbox. All right. Save. Allow all. Come back to Adpreso. And we're going to browse. Go to downloads. Grabbox. Here we go. Use main image. And then Notice one thing, it got the colors from my main image. So CrowdFunnels is blue theme. As you can see, it's a blue website. That's what the color theme is. So this product, it grabs your colors automatically from the images that you feed in. So when I feed in the main image, it will create a color theme based on that suggested by us, and then you can choose the primary color or other colors based on that. I will leave it to be this grayish black. It's perfectly fine. It's a business tool. It works for me. And let's click on processing. So based on this color, everything is organized. Even the graphics and the designs will be made that way. So you can see here, the designs are getting made already. It's just generating the design one after another in different formats. Boost sales with ease, boost sales with ease. So like the ads are being generated right one after another. And if I click on load more, it will make even more, I think. Yep, another little set. So if I want any of them, I can just download them, right? So if you want to edit it, you can. Let's say I want to change this ad. This is the editor. It will let me change anything. Like if I want to change this, add this text. I could do that. And there is a join now button. This is the call to action, and there is the image over here. If I don't like the image for some reason, I want to change it, I can change the orientation, so I can resize it. Let me do that a little bit. Yeah, I think this is looking much better. So yeah, it's possible to do all of that. You can add image if you want from your own computer. There's also Pixabay integration and Unsplash integration. So let's put in a woman looking happy with her sales. So you can find images. I think I will go for her. So now you can change the main image. Still waiting. All right, so the image somehow didn't come. Maybe there's a glitch over here. I also have the logo. I can change the logo size and everything. Everything is editable over here. All elements are editable, movable. You can change whatever you want. But somehow I couldn't get the image to be displayed. Maybe I made a mistake. If I use Unsplash, okay, so it's got a, I think I will try her. Yep. So maybe probably it was the other platform. Right. So you've got this. I wonder if I can make her look at the text. I think there should be a flip over here. There's a layer. Yes, there is a flip, I think. So now I think it looks much better, right? So boost sales with ease. There is a little human element in here now. The text is here. This is my logo, and I'm trying to see if I can resize it. I can change it, of course, but can I resize it? So this is to crop it, to crop the visual. I think I don't want to crop that for sure. Position, Y, angle, and there is opacity. I don't want to change the opacity. 100% is fine. You can put a shadow effect, stroke it. Somehow it's going, it's actually resizing in that available window. So probably that's the window size available to me. So only in that window size I can resize. Anyways, I'm done here. So save it and go back. But before that, just take a look at all the tools available in this editor. There is a text editor, which will let you place text. Elements editor, which gives you a lot of different elements that you can put in. So if for some reason, if you want to put in a small corner, you can click on it and then you can put it. I put it twice, so I'm going to delete one. And we'll make it a lot smaller. So basically, it just takes minutes, right? It doesn't take it takes a long time. It takes minutes, and you can have a change. So, you can have some custom design if you want to. Then there is the graphics. There's a lot of graphics available to you. So if you want to use any of this, like a man cartoon, these are clip arts. You can put that in the software, put it in the design that you've made. You can select background color. You can change it. You can apply a filter on all of the design. So If I want to blur it, I can. If I want to grayscale it, I can. If I want to make it sepia, I can, but I think default is fine. You can also put icons, and this is from searching. So if I want to say, let's say Facebook, or I want to say sales. So sales, if I put sales in here, it should give me sales related icons like this one or this one. So if I want to put that in the, all right, so the SVG file download didn't work for some reason. I think maybe the icon file is corrupt or something else is wrong. So maybe it's the platform, I can't say for sure. Then there is social tags. You can put in buttons like subscribe to me and so on. If you're making ads for your YouTube channel or podcast, share me. I'm going to delete that. Okay, deleted the image. Okay, so I might need to put in the image again. Luckily, it doesn't take a long time. Works right away. Perfect. Then I was in social tag. There is masking, so you can create little elements that mask the visual that they're on. I'm gonna give it a try. So you see here, it's like a proper colored element, honestly. I'm gonna delete that, but I understand that it just lets you put in a nice element. Now, I wanted to see if I can click on this. I'm not sure about it. I'm not able to click here. All right. Then you can put in your brand details. Right now there are none because I didn't create a brand kit, but I will show you how to do that. And there is resize if you wanted to resize it according to any special, ad ratio, you could. All of this is actually 1200 by 628. Okay, some of this is different, like 1080, so it resizes it and then you will have to redo it. So I'm gonna Control Z. Okay, I'll just click on this. Yeah, it should fix that. So this is what the editor can do for you. Once you're ready, click on save, go back. And now you should see the design here somewhere. All right, so it's kind of generating it again. I wonder what happened to my ad. All right, to find the ad, I had to come back to projects and then I could find the Technic Force ads that I had created. So I can edit it all over again, or I can just view it or download it. Let me see what format it is. So it creates a JPEG file. Let me try to look at that. Here we go. This is the ad that I created. All right, next there is, okay, so in case I missed something, I will just show you one more time about what it can do. So click on add new project and we'll create a new one, Technic Force ads 2, next, and we're gonna change. All right, so let's see if let's create a Facebook story ad. Did I create something? Create. Again, let's put in your next funnel .in and click on scan. I'm gonna wait for a minute. I will just pause and come back. Continue. I will this time not choose anything except my logo. Continue. And you've got an all new set of ads, this time with a human element already present, so I don't need to design that. And you can see there are so many different kinds of layouts. I think they're looking much better than the last time, in fact, which is pretty cool, yeah. And they're in the size that I wanted, the new size. So I'm gonna pick up this one this one, download it straight away, and it becomes a JPEG file, right? And or I can just edit it. And if you save it, it will be saved, and when you go back, you can go to projects and find the ad for later preview, right? This is our ad for later preview. All right, next you have brand kits. Brand kits can be created to make your brand presence in every ad that you create. Let's call it Technic Force. And then image upload. You can upload your graphic. I will upload my logo. So this is for your signature. I really don't have a signature. Let's see, do I have a signature? Okay, maybe this one. I will put this as my signature. Then there is a favicon if I want to use it. And favicon is pretty much same. So brand colors, it automatically detected. Click save. And now it's got my brand kit alive. By the way, it also allows you to put in team members. So you can put in team members or even clients in there, and they will get access to the software. There is also an ad copy generator. So this is when you publish your ad on Facebook. Of course, only the image won't do. You will also need to create ad copies to go with it. So this is where you do this. Click on create ad copy, and let's call it build your funnels. And choose the project. Create an awesome ad copy targeting female entrepreneurs to help them sell their products online, and click on submit. And based on whatever feedback you gave it and the content data that has, it's going to create copies for you. So we'll take a look at that. Check this out. The first variation, this is the headline, this is the primary text, and this is the CTA. Let's read it. Unlock online sales secret. Ever wondered how women entrepreneurs skyrocket online sales? Discover our AI-powered funnel builder. It's the secret weapon for seamless product launches. Boost conversions with ease, cut costs, and integrate effortlessly. Trusted by thousands, rated 4.8/5 stars on G2. What's your next big win? Try for 30 days risk-free. Explore the secrets now. Then there is a second variation, authority-driven approach, trusted by top women in biz. Urgency-driven approach, boost sales fast. So all of the different approaches are available to you. You can just copy content from here and paste it in your ads and get the ad running. You can copy the entire text too. And if you got a scrapbook, you can put that in the scrapbook. All right, so next you have the target audience generator. This is to help you find what audience you should target on Facebook. So click on that, and then click on target audience. Again, you will need to put in your details like build sales funnels, and choose a project and put in campaign instructions. Create targeting for customers who want to build sales funnels very fast. All right, so click on submit. Now we gotta wait. All right, so the target audience is ready. The primary audience where you want to spend 60% of the budget. So it's kind of giving me this roadmap: ages 30 to 45, gender distribution 60% male, 40% female, income level 50,000 to 150,000, education bachelor's degree, geographic targeting North America, Europe, APAC, life stage, business growth phase, family status, married or single without children, occupation, category, small business owners, digital marketers, entrepreneurs. Then psychographic targeting, interests. Then you got a secondary audience where you can spend 25% of the budget. Then the retargeting audience, right? So this is how you want to set up your retargeting. Exclusions: don't kind of run ads to these people. And there are strategies. Well, I will have to do a proper study to tell you more feedback on this, but this is kind of like an insight that you get right from here. You can copy this, and once you close it, it'll be gone. Now it has some things to help you get clients. There is a client acquisition package. So if you click on it, it's gonna give you things like cold outreach templates, LinkedIn message templates, Instagram DM templates, Facebook group comments, objection handling roadmap, complete sales presentation, pricing strategy, and email follow-up sequence, right? For getting new clients. There were actually two sections: business type, run ads. So you can get two kinds of clients with the help of this. First is for selling ads, and the second thing is for running ads for them, right? There is also a client conversion package, so it helps you kind of convert the clients. If you if you get a message back from them, what should you do? It covers that. There is also a freelance profile launch guide, so it will tell you how exactly to create a perfect profile on freelance websites like Fiverr, like freelancer.com, like Upwork to get clients. There is also a freelance gig launch guide, how to customize your gig. There is an ads checklist, but this is not a part of the access plan that I have. It's for the VIP training, which I don't have, unfortunately. There's also the job finder, which works with Freelancer, which works with Fiverr to get jobs like Facebook ads. If I write Facebook ads in here and click search, it's used the APIs from Freelancer. So it's getting ads from Freelancer, right? So Facebook lead generation, SEO optimized website, a digital marketing expert, social media post design, 15 to 20 second app features video. So kind of it finds all the people who are looking for the kind of gigs that I want to provide, and you can go and apply for the jobs by clicking on no more. Then finally, there is bookmark jobs. So if you like a particular freelance gig, you can bookmark it and check it out later. So this was Adpreso. I think it is targeted to people who are starting out with ads, who need to know more about it, and who want to run great ads without having to design. So you don't need to have any design skills. It figures out things like your color scheme. It creates ads that are customized to color schemes, and it lets you edit them too. Plus it got some extras like ad copy generator, client acquisition package, client conversion package, freelancing things too. So if you are looking to make ads a revenue stream for your business, even if you are not running ads for yourself, this could be an interesting product to look at. Now, if you decide to pick it up, remember you got to pick it up from my link. Why? Because I will be able to give you access to products that I have created, and that includes some pretty good ad products too. Like I've got Adplify, which is a great application, 7-in-1 Facebook ad suite, really professional stuff in here. There's also Tube Target, which lets you advertise on YouTube and get results, and Complify, which is cookie and consent management platform. You can easily sell it to all of your clients because everybody needs cookie management. But there are more, like there's something like Converti, which will help you increase your conversions. If you're running ads, you want more conversions. There's also PeopleBots, which lets you put in AI chat on your website and also on your client's website. And then, this is something everyone needs too. So there are a bunch of products like this, and you can get access to all of them through my Technique Force Rewards program. All you need to do is buy Adpreso from me if you like it. And to get access to Technique Force Rewards, you need to go to techniqueforcerewards.in. There is a little video that explains how this works. Over here, it's automatic. By the way, it's all automatic. You don't need to do anything manually. When you purchase from me, your points get credited automatically. Everything is set up for you. All you need to do is log in and get access, and you can activate your software right inside the platform, all by yourself. And your account is also auto-created. If you don't have your login and password, if you never logged in before in Technique Force Rewards, and if you purchase products from me or you decide to purchase today, just click on Forgot Password, put in your email, and it will send you your password reset link so that you can gain access. So this is how everything works. Adpreso is the product that I reviewed today. If you like it, purchase it from my link, and I will see you on the inside. This is Cyril Gupta, the best friend in your business, signing off.